Hello. We're the bloody Kinks.
I'm not the world's most physical guy, but when she squeezed me tight, she nearly broke my spine. Oh, my Lola. La 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 Lola. La 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 Lola.
Girl, you really got me going. You got me so I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, you really got me now. You got me so I can sleep at night.
I love it. It makes me want to cry.
If you're not crying, you're probably deaf. But stick that on the poster.
As long as I gaze on Waterloo sunset, I am